This, Dad paid for it. Then we can go swimming, we can eat food here. This is the pig, lechon. You see, in Philippines they don't do gifts, they do food. Like that. This is the pasta. This is Mara. She looked after Princess when Princess was very sick. She was there all night, sleeping all night.
I'm her mother for the time.
Yes. She did very, 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 very good. And Princess very close to her.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Wait, did you bring kutsilyo? Sakay lang sa dito ka.
May pila gali ni me.
Uy, ako nang gipalit. Wala na. Hey, layo rin sa. Tingnan mo, di mabugdak-bugdak.
Presensya ng kapaupo